In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma Prototype to video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a clickable prototype and turn it into a shareable video using a plugin inside Figma, all with just a few straightforward actions. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, open the project that contains the prototype you want to export. Make sure your prototype is set up the way you want it to appear in the final video. Check your starting frame, transitions, and any interactions you plan to demonstrate. Next, open the Plugins menu in Figma. This is where we'll access the tool that handles the export for us. In the search field, type Export to GIF video. When you see the plugin appear in the list, click it, then click Run. The plugin will launch in a small panel. If you're prompted to verify or allow permissions, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete that step so the plugin can access your file and process the prototype. With the plugin open, select the prototype you want to export. If your file has multiple flows or starting points, be sure to click the correct one so the video captures the right sequence. You'll typically see options or a preview to confirm what's about to be exported. Take a moment to double-check that it matches what you intend to show. When you're ready, click Export. The plugin will begin processing your design. This part can take a little time, depending on the length and complexity of your prototype and the performance of your browser. It's a good idea to keep the Figma tab active while it works and avoid switching to other heavy tasks to help the export complete smoothly. Once processing finishes, your prototype will be exported as a video or animated GIF, depending on the plugin's default or what you selected in its prompts. From here, you can share it with stakeholders, upload it to your preferred platform, or include it in presentations to showcase your design flow without requiring anyone to click through a live prototype. That's it. You opened your project in Figma, launched the Export to GIF-Video plugin, verified the prompts, selected the prototype, and clicked Export to process your design. If you run into delays, try simplifying the prototype, ensuring your internet connection is stable, or rerunning the plugin. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to export your Figma prototype to video with confidence.